Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how I made my multi-purpose stew. So to make this stew, I'm going to use this stew to eat soup as well. So I added a lot of paprika, few tomatoes, I have celery, I have ginger. This is blended stockfish. I blended it into powder. That's what I'm going to use because I'll be using it to eat different things. And then I blended the tomato, pour it in the pot, and then I'll allow it to cook for a few minutes. Then add oil. I'm adding two types of oil: sunflower oil and red oil. Do not say this oil is too much. It's not too much. Now I added my curry. I have added a little bit of bouillon cube, that's stock cube. This is now the stockfish head powder. So I pour it inside the pot. I add my grilled chicken, and then I'm stirring it after it's boiling. And so now I'm going to add fish as well. This fish is half baked fish, and I'm pouring it inside the stew for it to boil together, and so that the taste would enter inside the fish, and then turn them, allow it to boil, and then the soup is ready. So I'm going to use this to eat okra soup, yam, beans, or anything that you have that you want to use. And this is the stew for everything. Thank you for watching. Guys, do well to subscribe, like this video, share this video to your friends and family who want to cook one stew that you use to eat everything: rice, yam, beans, all the things that you need to eat it with. You don't need to cook stew for this, sauce for this, for that, and you can also keep it as well for next time.